morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can create a Google shortcut for desktop. So this is not the Chrome shortcut, this is the Google shortcut. I mean www.google.com. When you click on one button, directly google.com gets open, and this we creating on the desktop. I'll show you. Yeah, see here, first of all open Google Chrome. Yeah, Google Chrome browser, and I browse through google.com. See here, www.google.com. Yeah, I'll load this page initially on the Chrome. Yeah, the Google page is loaded now, and I need to click on the three dots at the right top corner of the Chrome, and here I'll find an option called save and share. See here, save and share, and here I need to click on create shortcut. Yeah, yes, with the name of the Google with that icon only I'll create the shortcut. See here at the taskbar there is a Google shortcut created. All that I need to do is drag and drop to the desktop. Yeah, drag and drop. Here is the Google shortcut created. If I click on that, it directly opens google.com page. So this is how you can create a shortcut for Google. So whenever I open, I can directly browse through something on the internet. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.